video is not actually a video, but it's a very different idea that I wanted to do for a very long time. Basically, I'm going to do a food crawl in Jammu because food is greater than everything. Remember, we are going to go to some of the most famous places in Jammu where you can eat, drink. We have shortlisted around 10 to 14 places in Jammu. I'm sure there must be many other good places in Jammu where you can go and eat. But these are the top 10 or 12 places which we have shortlisted, and according to us, these are the best places in Jammu to hog on. So, are you guys ready for a food crawl in Jammu? So, today is day one, and let's go and find out what you can eat in Jammu and what's famous here. Let's go. So we are at our destination number 1 and यहाँ पे जम्मू का सबसे फेमस हलवा मिलता है। सुबह 5 बजे से लेके 9 बजे तक ये हलवा अवेलेबल होता है और हम लोग सुबह उठ के यहाँ पे हलवा खाने आए हैं। अंकल, आपका नाम क्या है? वैष्णो दत्त शर्मा। और आप कितने साल से यहाँ पे हैं? मोर देन 60 ईयर्स। कितने प्लेट हलवा बेचते होंगे एक दिन में? More than 300 plates every day. और आप कितने में देते हैं एक प्लेट हलवा? 10 rupees का एक प्लेट हलवा। Guys, whenever you come to Jammu, don't forget to start your mornings, don't forget to start your day by eating this awesome halwa which I am going to hog on right now. Just look at this. I mean, amazing. So now we are at our destination number 2. It's 8 a.m. in the morning. We are here so early because you cannot get a place to sit if you come in the daytime or in the evening. This is Rawalpindi in Jain Bazaar, Jammu. Talk to the person who owns this place for almost 100 years. आपका नाम क्या है? आशु। आप मुझे बताइए ये शॉप कब से है यहाँ पे?
ये शॉप 1920 की है।
1920। एक प्लेट छोले भटूरे आप कितने में बेचते हो?
अभी तो 60 की है।
60 की। और शुरू कब से कितने से किया था?
98 से किया था।
98 से। यहाँ पे छोले भटूरे 50 पैसा पर प्लेट मिलता था and now they sell it at 60 rupees per plate. That's amazing. They're going to complete 100 years in next 2 years. So it's so amazing to see that they've been running this place for almost 100 years now. So guys, whenever you come to Jammu and you are craving for a good chole bhature, don't forget to come to Rawalpindi in Jain Bazaar, Jammu. FYI, this is not a bhatura, it's a puri. Jammu food crawl day 2 and we are headed to eat some good kulfi, kulchas. So today we have chosen Anni Jidi Hatti, Banta Wale, and this is a really famous place in city. This is like a city center in Jammu and you can eat so much and then you have to just drink one Banta here, one soda here and you'll be all set to hog on for rest other things.
शॉप लोगे 100 साल से पुरानी है।
100 साल से पुरानी है।
पहले दादाजी बैठते थे।
अच्छा।
पापा बैठते थे। मैं बैठता हूँ। थर्ड जनरेशन बैठते थे।
बेटी आओ तो बांटा पी के जाओ। Next destination is Lalisha Kulfi Wala. I have been eating kulfi here like for, I don't know, I can't even remember for how long. Since I was like 5 years old, 6 years old. This is my favorite kulfi place in the city of Jammu. And so now we are going to eat kulfi here. And if you come to Jammu, you have to come here and eat kulfi here. This is the best kulfi. जूती नहीं खरीदी यार, तो क्या कर लिया, ठीक है। तो हम लोग खा के अभी थक गए, तो हम थोड़ा सा ब्रेक ले रहे हैं।
Hi guys!
We are at our next destination. मैं पहली बार यहाँ पे आई हूँ, बट मैंने सुना है कि इनका छोले वाला कुलचा जम्मू में वर्ल्ड फेमस है। So I'm going to eat this one for the first time, छोले वाला कुलचा, मिर्ची वाला छोले वाला कुलचा, and let's see how it tastes. Day 3 and we are here to explore Kaladi Kulcha. जम्मू में आके कलाड़ी कुलचा खाना ही बनता है 100%, and we are going to eat it at a very interesting place. This place is really interesting because it has been running for last 20 years without even having a name. So let's go and find out how amazing this Kaladi Kulcha is. कुलचा ever had. 8 रुपए से इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था और अभी ये 40 रुपए पर प्लेट कलाड़ी कुलचा बेचते हैं. So guys, whenever you come to Jammu, do make a point to come here. This is Moti Bazaar in Jammu, and this place doesn't have a name, but you can easily find this place because it's the most famous Kaladi Kulcha place. That is more famous than KC Residency in Jammu. It's the Tikke Wala opposite to KC Residency in Jammu. So guys, when you come here, this is Residency Road. Don't forget to eat some amazing, awesome, tasty, yummalicious tikkes. Jammu food crawl day 4 and I am in Raghunath Bazaar and I was tired of shopping, so I thought of eating something. What's better than eating Rajma Chawal on a busy sunny day? This is a very nice place to eat Rajma Chawal. It has been running for last 70 years. They started from 5 rupees a plate and they now sell it at 30 rupees per plate. So guys, whenever you come to Jammu, definitely you're going to come to Raghunath Bazaar for shopping, but don't forget to eat some good, awesome Rajma Chawal in between. They also put a piece of paneer, also called as cottage cheese in English, on top of it. It's awesome. Speak to you later. Day 4, destination second. But let me ask you a question. What do you think came first, chicken or egg?
Punjabi brothers!
When in Jammu, don't forget to start your meal by having a nice soup at Punjabi Brothers in Rihadi Chungi, Jammu. So we have Mr. Vijay here who owns this place. Let's talk to him and find out what is so amazing about this soup that everyone wants to come here and drink this double egg, double chicken soup.
Because your taste is very well.
Yeah, because their taste is the best.
जब स्टार्ट किया था तो एक सूट बेचते थे हम 15 रुपीज़ का।
15 रुपीज का, और आज कितने में
आज
बेचते
50 रुपीज़
हैं?
का।
आज 50 रुपीज का, so 15 to 50. So guys, come here, check out for yourself, and get amazed by this amazing double egg double chicken soup. So today is the last day of Jammu food crawl, and I am at Pahalwans in Jammu. Jammu ki aan, shaan aur baan, Pahalwan. This is a place which has been running for more than 50 years, and it's like a superhero because they have everything you want to eat, everything you crave to eat, from kaladi kulcha to golgappe to pav bhaji to chole bhature to rajma chawal to noodles to lassi, everything. And to top it all, the very famous chocolate burfi. Yes, the chocolate burfi of Pahalwans in Jammu is world famous. So guys, whenever you come to Jammu, don't forget to eat here. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know, I have not included a lot of places, but these were like my top 10 street food joints in Jammu that you should definitely, absolutely check out. Even if you are from Jammu or whether you're going there for the very first time. I wanted to add so many more. For example, Sarwal ka kachalu, Prem ka patisa, Casino ke chowmin. But time nahi mila yaar, bilkul time nahi mila. Should we make a part 2 of this video the next time I'm in Jammu? What do you say? Do you want to join me, Team Puglets? So comment below, let me know what all places I missed out. Also let me know if these were your favorite street food locations in Jammu. I would be really happy to know that. Okay, I had a lot of fun shooting this video with my lovely friends in Jammu. So a big shout out to you guys. Ankit, Nukul, Vinay, Megha, Navjot, Shifali, Shashanka, also Megha, Akash, Sheen. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it makes you very, very hungry or nostalgic. Jammu is my hometown and it's a beautiful small city. So do pay a visit. If you're watching my video for the very first time, I am Anshita Crazy Call and welcome to the family of Team Puglets. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, share this video with everyone, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Skadoosh.
माल नंबर देते, माल नंबर तो बता।
जूती खाएगा मेरी? जूती दिखा, शक्ल देखी अपनी? शक्ल देखी अपनी?